Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Dextromethorphan, found in many cough syrups, can cause a wired or dizzy feeling. It suppresses coughs by affecting the brain, but in high doses, it acts like a mild hallucinogen, causing unusual sensations or euphoria. Always follow dosage instructions carefully to avoid these side effects.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.